are the main things that the exchange offers. And that is not just the exchange part up here, where we go through all those steps really quickly, but they also have their own Web3 application, where you can see that anything that has to do with crypto, so wallets, trading, cross-chain stuff, NFTs, decentralized apps, all in the Gate Web3 service. But let's go to the actual features that you can use over here on the exchange. When it comes to buying crypto, you can always select the currency you would like to use and then either go with credit card or you can deposit crypto directly into your account if you already have it. They also have the Gate card, which has a flaming new symbol right next to it, where you can convert crypto and pay using Gate Visa card worldwide. Despite living in the world, it tells me that we're in a location that is one of their restricted countries, which means you can just use a VPN, but that's besides the point, as this one is only available to European residents at the moment, but that is probably going to expand in the future. You have your normal overview of how many tokens they have, what is available, the change over the last 24 hours. You got spot trading, where if you click on any of the features, you have this super complicated overview, which makes it seem a lot more difficult to trade than it actually could be. However, you can place limit orders on the right-hand side, which means let's say you want to buy the Gate token at exactly $4.50. Once it hits that, you could place that limit order. You can also place a stop limit, the things that are used from normal exchanges. If you just want to convert crypto, let's say your coins into crypto, you can click on convert, just type in the numbers, hit confirm, and that's it. A lot easier to understand, works a lot better. When it comes to the derivatives, they got the copy trading feature, which would mean we pick one of the people that is signed up over here as the lead trader. We can see the monthly returns, the 1 month return of percent as well. And you can simply copy their strategy if there's a spot available. But for that, you can also set up your own strategy bot, which is an automated process where you just give your bot a couple guidelines on when to buy, when to sell. So you remove the human emotional part from trading and give it to a machine, and that does all the work. Now, financing, there's liquidity mining, there's cloud mining. So if you want to mine yourself, that is an option over here. You can also lend and earn interest on you lending. And if you like to stake tokens like I do, you can stake ETH, for example, where you get 4.9% APR, and that is on the ETH 2.0 phase. They also host NFTs on their site. Keep in mind though, for most NFTs, if you can't actively use them, there's a high chance they go down in value, and just having a sheep with the word Inu behind it doesn't make it successful. However, there are also a couple free mints, which means if you want to mint a black cat for free, you simply click the button and then could mint it if it is available. For that, they also have their own marketplace that you can find over here, and that is their own whole section on NFTs. So if you don't like using OpenSea, using MetaMask and other exchanges, Gate has everything in one single place. For the institutional part up here, they got the institutional and VIP home, liquidity program, lending services. This is most likely something we won't use ever, but if this does correlate with anything that you're doing, they have it available as well. And they also offer chat rooms, live streams, future events, news, Gate blogs, the post, and a lot more. The important thing though, for let's say 99.9% of users, is this part over here. You click on wallet, you can overview your funds, where you see the entire asset value, how much your portfolio went up in price, and then how much money you have in different accounts. Let's say you want to buy crypto, you hit the button, you get sent over to this page, and then it tells you have to verify. You have to go through KYC in order to buy crypto, which requires you to go through like a 3 to 4 minute process where you have to show your passport or the ID that you used on the camera, as well as your face. But we also get a daily withdrawal limit of $2 million, chump change. Once you've done that, you will get your different wallets to deposit money on. So let's say you have money on the Ethereum chain. You then get your wallet, you can send it over, the usual stuff. Now, when it comes to Gate or KuCoin, Coinbase, Croc, and Binance, you can name all the exchanges. They all have slightly different bonuses that you get for signing up. Maybe some of the features like NFTs or Web3 in here. But the point for most exchanges, and why we use them, is you can buy crypto and then you have it. And if you want to sign up, there's a link down below. The most important thing for all the exchanges is it's free. In the worst case, you sign up, maybe there's a bonus of like $5 or so. And then you have $5 and then you don't log in and you forget about it. That's the best thing. None of those things have to be paid for. It's all free. So there isn't really any downside. Hope you have a good rest of your week. And I see you in a week from now where we talk about how to sign up for KuCoin maybe, or some other exchange. We will see.